My name is Lisa Pelasti, and I am a certified RDI consultant, and now I've been newly appointed the role of Director for Professional Training in Canada. So what is RDI? It is a developmental model, first of all, which is really, I guess, very important to understand in that it's not a behavioral model. So we are proactively laying foundations versus trying to reactively put out or extinguish behaviors. So often when we're treating kids with autism, when the world is treating children with autism, they try to develop skills that if they don't have the foundations beneath them, they're not going to hold. In RDI, we do want to focus on making sure that we lay the foundations that are necessary in order for the skills, if you will, to stick, to hold. In RDI, a really huge part of the work that we do is to develop the growth-seeking mindset. And I'd have to say that that's probably the number one thing that occurs when we develop the guiding relationship. It's come about over the course of the last 3 or 4 years with respect to what we've learned about the guiding relationship and what it really is all about at the very core of what we're doing. And if we can just simply put a greater understanding to what occurs when the guiding relationship is developed, is that we help the child develop the growth-seeking mindset. Once the child has relinquished their need to try to create static systems to avoid uncertainty, and they are no longer trying to resist, avoid, sabotage, control the engagements, now they're available for learning. It's not actually the parent that is the one who's continually taking responsibility for the child's learning. The child develops the growth-seeking mindset, so they become the ones that are driving the learning, and the parent is the one that just helps to support that. RDI is really based on the latest research. The difference, we talked about it early on, about development of the guiding relationship and how that's the difference between other relationship models, which are more child-led. There's the parent education and empowerment. And then, of course, educating parents about the difference between static and dynamic intelligence. We're working at quality of life in terms of the long term. We help parents really start to understand that learning those, kind of academic skills now, if they're having to spend maybe 3 times longer trying to teach a child an academic skill that maybe the other same age children, have learned, and they're investing all their time in doing this kind of thing, is that what's really important in the long-term scope of things? What's really going to be more important is developing that growth-seeking, and then that stuff just comes easy. Then they don't have to work so hard to try to develop those skills.